she did a stream and yeah, I saw that. She taught Ollie in a Offcollab stream. Yeah.
Oh, how to do a Rubik's cube?
Yeah, she did. And she was like really aggressive with it. She was so angry.
Tidak, tanda plus yang di tengah. Nah itu tinggal diputar ke sini. Tinggal di ini nih, bukan gini. Ini tuh getal banget aku nih. Ini kan ada di tengah. Gimana logikanya dia bisa ke sini? Gimana Li? Logikanya biar ini ke sini gimana Li? Gak tahu. Li! Segampang itu Li. Gimana logikanya biar ini bisa ke sini diapain Li? Satu step doang Li. Kayak gini. Ya! Iya, saya mengerti sekarang. Ya, oke, satu lagi.
Why can our daughter do this but not?
She needs to teach us.
She's so smart. Yeah. She told me, I guess I already knew. She's learning the violin right now. Yeah, she's so sophisticated.
You can just...
But she's so smart, right? Because she can like code and shit.
Isn't Ollie super math smart too?
Yeah. They're all so smart. Are ID girls? Are there any stupid ID girls?
That's...
I feel like they're all smart. They all seem so smart to me. Kayla.
Yeah.
She must be smart.
And she can game too.
Yeah, hell yeah. Because she gets so invested. So I feel like maybe in school she would also get invested. And I think Muna seems very smart to me too. Oh, I know that Zeta is known to be very pon.
まあ、ゼタさんは天才だからね。しょうがないでしょ。
That's cute.
Yeah, that's a cute thing, I'd say.
Cute.
Yeah.
They're all smart, though. Kobo might be the smartest. Big brain.
Which is crazy to me because she's such a kusogaki.
Yeah.
You know, she's such a brat.
It's so funny.
In the cutest way.
Yeah.
But for her to be super smart, that's like levels of moe that I could never reach.
Yeah, even when I was in ID, even off stream, she was quite the kusogaki.
Really?
Yeah, and her expressions are the funniest. She would like look at me with her big eyes and have the most expressive face that I've ever seen. So funny.
Cute.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you mentioned to me about the doorknob.
Yeah!
The face she made
so
after breaking off the doorknob.
Okay.
Wait, I want to fart.
She's leaving the room. How polite. And so polite. She broke off the handle.
No, it's not my fault. It's not my
door. She broke the handle of the door.
It's not my fault.
How? She just closed the door and then she opened again. She looks with a shocked face, holding the door handle. She's a natural comedian.
Cute. Isn't that what we all are, though, Wawa? Aren't we all comedians?